We have another win for the Lightkeeper Pro. It fixed every single string of Garland lights. And I'm really happy about this because I haven't had this set up for several years. And it's one of my favorite pieces because it's just so impressive. I'm sure it doesn't look like anything to write home about on the camera, but in person it's really remarkable because there's just so many lights. This has a total of 500 lights on it. And what happened was about 4 or 5 years ago, one of the strings quit working, and so I just took a regular set of lights and wrapped it up and down, and it didn't look great, but it was better than not having it at all. And then I think the year after that, 2 or 3 sets went out. So I went around and I tried to buy a replacement. The closest thing I could find, which really isn't even that close, was this. And this is another string of lights that I really like, and it looks really neat, but it doesn't go on Garland very well. So it didn't really work. So for a while I just kind of went without this looking the way it should. I had that piece I just showed, I think I had on the left one year, and it was so different than the right. It didn't look that good. It hasn't looked good in a long time. But this year all the strings are back and they're all working, and it's really fantastic. And I don't think I would have ever gotten this fixed without the Lightkeeper Pro, because the way this is wired is very difficult to trace. Because it's not just a single straight set. It's very difficult to trace the circuitry here. I tried to fix it. My grandfather tried to fix it for me. Neither of us could fix it. And if the two of us can't fix something, it's probably just not going to get fixed. And so that was the case with these lights. So finally, these are all back, and it looks great. So we've got that once again this year. Hopefully we'll have it every year to come now that the Lightkeeper Pro thing is in the picture.